What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video we are going to do unboxing of Grand Prime Pro. Actually this is the same model which is released by the name of J2 Pro 2K18 but in many other countries. So let's have a look on this box, and you can see this is in gold color and it is manufactured in Vietnam, and we have no other details on the sides of the box, and here we have this warranty card. So let's just open this box and find out what we have inside this box. And there is no difference between the J2 Pro and the Grand Prime Pro. Actually this is only the regional naming which Samsung has adopted, and Samsung has been doing it from the last year. Many models were released in the previous year which were named differently in different regions, so same is the case with this model too. So in our region this model is named as Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime Pro. Now let's have a look at this phone. You can see this is the Super AMOLED display, and this is the modern and sleek design, and 18 megapixels back camera and the 5 megapixels front camera. And we have a beautiful design of this phone, and this is the dual SIM model. And let's see what else we have inside this box. You can see this is the quick start guide, and it usually comes with every smartphone. And this is the USB cable. I think it will not be the USB type C. And next up we have these hand frees available here, and next up we have the battery. So it means this battery is removable, and this is not the non-removable battery. And next up we have this charger, and this is the charger of Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime Pro. Actually this is a very long name to pronounce. Let's have a look now on the phone and put all the things at the side, and let me just bring it out of the wrapper, and let's open the back of this phone, and let me just put battery inside this phone. So it's actually very tightly packed. You can see it's very beautifully packed phone. It comes in 20,000 rupees in my country, which approximately makes it for $200, and maybe in other regions it is for lesser price, but in my region this is for almost $200. It is very close to $200. Actually it is not the exact figure. So I have placed the battery, and let me just put the back cover again. Let's just tighten this up. So let's start this phone and let's have a look at this phone. So this is the Grand Prime Pro, and we have these speakers on next to the camera, and next up we have this camera on the back which is 8 megapixels and a flash, and on the right side we have this power button, and the top of the phone we have this 3.5mm headphone jack, and on the left side as usual we have this volume rockers, and on the bottom side we have this charging slot and a microphone. So let this phone start up. Actually it is taking too much time to start the phone, and overall build quality of this phone is actually feeling good. It is one heavy phone and it is not a lighter weight. So Android is starting now, and actually this phone is taking a lot of time. Maybe this is the first time, that's why it's taking. So we are welcome by, and let's start the process. And we do not want to connect to the internet, and let's move next. Let's agree to all of the terms, and let's move next. And let me just put a name. We don't want to put a name. Let's move next, and we have a patron here, and let's put a patron. So that's the patron for the device right now, and we are just on the corner and done here. Let's just agree to this one too. And we do not want Samsung account and cloud. Let's skip it for a while, and we will check out all these features later on. And let's move next. And here we have this phone. You can see this is the Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime Pro, aka Samsung Galaxy J2 Pro 2K18. So you can see this phone is running on Experience version 8.5. I think so it is 8.5, and we have some outdoor modes and some other features which are available in this phone. So let's go into the settings and check out what we have inside this phone. And in the about we go, and we have the software information, and you can see it is running on Android 7.1.1, and we have the Samsung Experience version 8.5. So it is very good to see that Samsung has brought its latest UI into this smartphone too. Actually every latest smartphone which is released by the Samsung is now coming with this 8.5 UI. It has a lot of features inside it which you can check out when you have the phone. Many people will be having this phone, so this is great to see. This is 8.5, and let me just tell you a few of the specifications of the phone. And in the storage section, let's see what is the storage of the device, and you can see it is 16 gigabytes model, and it is having 2 gigabytes of RAM. In the RAM section we have I think 2 gigabytes of RAM, and let's see how much it's available. It is a total of 1.5 and 753 is already used. So that was the unboxing of this device, and I hope you highly enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.